Join Vodafone. So we launched it, as I mentioned. We launched it last week, and so there will be two winners. Each will win 25K, which is why we say win 50K. So quick question. First thing that comes to your mind, if you won a cash 25K, what would you do?
Nothing beats a jet to Hong
What about you, Lawrence?
Travel, of course. Traveling.
Traveling will. Back and forth.
To my bedroom and back.
What about you, Lawrence? What would you do if you won 25K? First thing that comes to your mind.
I would probably go home and spend it all on food.
Oh, true.
Oh,
Same. So, how it works, it's very easy. All you have to do is get a Vodafone SIM, top up 1 tala or more to activate your SIM, and then you will get a text. After that first top up, you open it and you just register your number, and that's it. You're automatically in the draw.
Wow.
Yeah. And this promo is only valid for permanent residents of Samoa. Yeah. So all new prepaid mobile SIM users are eligible except for tourist SIM cards. Like, the SIM cards for tourists that traveling to Samoa. So unfortunately, they are not eligible because it's only for the permanent residents of Samoa. Postpaid signups and SIM allocated for SIM data devices, like example routers and MiFis, they will not be eligible for this campaign. And so under the GCA regulations, participation age is 21 years and above. In the case of someone like under 21 wins, parents or guardian will accept the prize on the winner's behalf. So how old are you, Akash?
I'm 13.
Be honest, over age. Okay,
So that's good.
Yeah,
I was scared.
I was scared for the moment. And so our period dates, well, it started on the day that we launched it. So the first period will be on the 15th of August to the 15th of September. And then the second period will be on the 16th of September to the 15th of October, which is why the draw dates, the first draw will be on the 17th of September of this year. And then the second draw will be on the 17th of October, which is this year. So right now you only have what? Today is August, September, October. So this promo is only for 3 months only.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for? Just go on ahead to go to all of our retail stores and then just get. And also, I forgot to mention, our Vodafone SIM is actually free.
Yeah.
So free, yeah. So you can get it anywhere from our retail stores, and also we also have Falelo Faipaanga, where we have partnership with them, and also we also have our roadshow team. So we have some Vodafone reps that sometimes they roam around town, and also Gua back, and so you can get their Vodafone SIMs there.
Wow. Right, so that's a little bit more on join Vodafone and win yourself a share of 50K from Vodafone Samoa and my friend Levi. Levi, can you remind everyone what you have to do to be in the draw again, please?
Okay, of course. So all you have to do is to get a Vodafone SIM, which is, again, Samoa, it's for free. And then all you have to do is top up 1 tala and above or more. And then after that first top up, a SMS text will pop up onto your phone. So you just have to press it, and then it will show you how to register. So once you finish registering, and then your name, your number will automatically go into the draw.
Okay, one other question. If I top up today and then I top up tomorrow, that means I have 2 entries in the draw now?
Oh, so are you Vodafone or are you Digicel?
I am Vodafone.
Oh, okay. So unfortunately, this promo is only for new. Are you are you a long term or you just started Vodafone?
I am long term.
Oh yeah. So sorry. So if you want to enter into our draw, so you have to get a new SIM.
Okay, so that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm getting one right now.
Yeah, boy. Are you Digicel? Get out. So yeah, right now it'll be good for students as well, since they're taking a break right now. Look, the parents, just get your child or son and daughter a SIM card, and then they'll do online work and stuff. So yeah, it's
Well,
great.
you guys better be careful now. You're gonna run out of SIM cards.
Well, hopefully that's the plan. We can always get more.
Well, that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Get yourself a new Vodafone SIM and top up $1 or more, and then you register and you're in the draw to win yourself a share of 50K. I hope you're listening very carefully because we're going to be asking questions very soon, and there's $10 e-charge giveaway later on our breakfast show. But that's how you do it. Get yourself a new SIM. Hey, imagine this, a family of 7, and you get 7 remember it's free. 7 new SIM cards for Vodafone, and you top up $1. Everyone in the family gets to top up $1. Everyone in the family is in the draw.
Yeah.
Good.
And imagine if, like, from that 7 family, both of the winners are from that one family.
Exactly, yeah. Your family gets the whole 50K.
Yeah, that's
Oh, wow.
Nothing beats a share of
Exactly, yeah. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, grab yourself a free SIM. I know a shop. I had tourists from overseas a few months ago, and they were looking for. They didn't want the eSIM because they were only here for a week. They just wanted a normal SIM. We got free SIMs from one of the Chinese stores just down the road from Vodafone. So there's lots of stores that you can. There's actually a big board in front of all those shops that says free
Vodafone.
Vodafone
Sims.
Sim. Oh yeah, that's good. That's
yeah,
good.
so go there, grab yourself a SIM card for the family as well. Hey, maybe it's time to change your numbers.
Yeah.
If you hold on to a number for too long, it's boring.
Yeah.
Yes, this one feels kinda old.
Yeah, they're an old number. Hey, it's time to get a new number, and
yeah.
as well, get yourself into the draw to win a share of 50K with Vodafone Samoa.
And also, it's not only just for Polu. I mean, even because we also have a retail store in Savai.
Yeah.
So, like, you know, and also Manono and Apolima, everyone can join in.
Imagine someone from Manono, Apolipa, or Savai winning the first 25K.
Hopefully, that means I have to go all the way to Mongongo to present the cash. Hopefully.
So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's how you enter the draw. It's just for new SIMs. So, like we're saying, grab yourself a new Vodafone SIM and be in the draw today. We're gonna head into some music. It's now 8:18 on your Magic Breakfast Show this morning. Remember, today is National Ice Cream Day. Leva, do you like ice cream?
Of course. What's your favorite flavor?
We were just talking. Both of us, our favorite flavors are is cookies and cream.
Me too.
What? No way.
Team cookies and cream.
Hey, team cookies and cream.
You know what that means? You have to give us 25K now.
Hey, we're on your side. Hey. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today is National Ice Cream Day. But before we head into music, our question of today is... I lost it. Wait, hold. Here it is. What's the smallest, dumbest purchase you've ever made that brought you ridiculous amount of joy or happiness? The smallest thing that you bought and you actually found out, hey, I'm really happy with this. Could be a shirt. Could be a hat. I can see you, Leva. You like to say a lot.
I love
It could be.
I love says.
Yeah. And some of the responses are, someone said, a device that makes insects noise, and I hid it in the ceiling of one of my mean co-workers.
Oh no. No, that's just me.
Well, some people find happiness in, different places. Making fun of your friends gives you happiness. Pranking your co-workers. No one should do that like in radio sometime.
Giving them 25K.
As a prank? Or in,
Oh, that would be such a lovely prank. Oh.
Some of the responses are, a packet of googly eyes. What are googly eyes?
You know those.
You know those eyes,
Yeah,
like beady eyes.
And they get like...
And
Oh,
They move around.
kind of like a toy or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she said, and I stuck them all over the house the night before my boyfriend's birthday. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, what is the smallest purchase that you did and it gave you ridiculous amount of joy?
Oh, I have something to say.
Yeah?
You know what would be the best smallest purchase is you buy credit for your new your new SIM from Vodafone.
It's just one time.
Just one tala, of course.
Hey, you never know, you could win 25K.
And
Yeah.
if they win, they have to give you a share because you bought the one tala. One tala in return.
So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's our question for today. Coming up next, we have your weather forecast. And then when we come back, we're going to give out our questions. And then Leva's going to remind everyone about our winner share of 50K on our breakfast show this Wednesday morning. Isn't it a beautiful day today?
Very beautiful.
Yeah. Sun is shining. You can see a fair bit of clouds, but hey, it's a beautiful Wednesday. It's now 8:21, your magic time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to your breakfast show this morning. We have Levi and Nicole from Vodafone Samoa. Good morning, Nicole.
Good morning, Cash. Good morning to all the beautiful people tuning in this Wednesday morning.
Just before our weather forecast this morning, like half an hour ago, me and Levi were talking about the winner share of 50K, our new promotion that's going on. So we're going to give out our two questions, and then for the listeners to text in their answers to 398, and then we're going to give it to Nicole to share about what's going on over there on her side of Vodafone Samoa. So, Levi, we're going to give out our two questions.
Okay, thank you. So our first question is, what's the name of our new Vodafone promo? The one that we just,
Yep.
me and Cash and Lawrence were talking about this morning. So what is the name of our Vodafone promo?
That's our first question. Our second question is, when is our first draw? When is our first draw for our new promotion? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, message or text your answer into 398. That's our text line. All right, over to you, Nicole.
Thank you, Cash. Well, first on our agenda this morning is our Double the Love this Father's Day. You know how Father's Day has gone by?
Yeah.
But we're still continuing our Father's Day promotion
Oh,
throughout
nice.
August. So the first promo that we've got is Double the Love this Father's Day. And this is for, if you buy a Samsung Galaxy A06, it's $349 for one. But if you buy two, you pay just 599 tala. So you're like saving 99 tala.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And the second one is, with the purchase of every S25, you get a free Samsung Galaxy A06.
Whoa.
So you buy a phone and you get an extra phone for free.
Yeah. So you
So
buy
you-
a S25, Samsung S25, and you get,
A free Samsung Galaxy A06.
wow. So that's the promotion from Father's Day. It's still ongoing.
Yeah, that's still ongoing. And we've also got our Samsung A series as well. We've also slashed down their prices as well for Father's Day. So the Samsung Galaxy A36 that used to be 1,399 is now going for just 1,299 tala.
That's A36.
Yes. And the Samsung Galaxy A56, its original price is 1,799, but now it's 1,649 tala. So you're saving money. But
You are saving money.
if you still don't have the budget, like us, like me,
And me.
you still don't have the budget to pay upfront, we've got our financing option that's still available, where you pay per week or weekly through our friends. Good morning to Bravos Limited, Samoa Surety Finance, and Dornies Finance. So those are our three financiers, our three friends that we're working together with to make the financing option possible for you. So all you need is a confirmation letter, 2 payslips, your 3 months bank statement, 2 photo IDs, as well as a guarantor. Plus your 40 tala processing fee at whichever financing office you're going to. And hey, you know how, back
Yeah.
to school. So universities and colleges,
They're gonna go back to school. Yeah.
next week. We have our 5G routers on special and
Yeah,
our
yeah.
Wi-Fi's. So our 5G routers are going for 249 tala and 299 tala. This is like the special price from 1,199 tala. So you're like saving almost 1,000.
Almost 1,000 tala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So take advantage, guys. And also, we have our MiFi, the portable devices. So that one is 199 now. It used to be 299, but now it's
Wow.
just 199 tala.
That's the portable
The MiFi, the one that you charge and then you carry it around.
MiFi
Yeah,
is now
199
$199.
from 299.
All right. So that's very good. Very
Yeah.
good deals.
And it's really good for the primary kids who are still at home, because you know how the teachers are sending out the Google Meets and
Yep.
So make sure you take advantage. We've got a 149 tala plan. Our FTTH, the 149.
Yep.
So that one has unlimited data. So the
Wow.
149 is unlimited data and gives you a landline
Ooh.
for the whole month. So make sure you stop by any of our retail outlets. So we've got 8 outlets so far. Good morning to our team in Savai. Our beautiful ladies there in Savai, Linda and Sofiana. We've also got one here at Faleolo, one at Vaitele, our newly opened Lotopa kiosk, one here at Fungale at the market, one opposite Apollo Cinemas, and our 2 big stores, Matafele and Malwafo. So whatever concerns, questions that you usually go to Matafele and Malwafo for, you can utilize these little shops.
Yeah.
They can answer whatever questions, concerns, queries you've got. Just stop by, say hello to our friendly team there, and voice your concerns. And hey, remember to get a free SIM card and join our new promotion.
Yeah. So that's from Nicole's side of Vodafone Samoa with the specials going on. And I came up with 2 questions as well from what we just heard from Nicole. And our question is, you buy yourself a Samsung S25, what do you get for free? You buy yourself a Samsung S25, it's the special,
Yep.
and you get, what do you get for free? And how much is the portable MiFi going for now? How much is the portable MiFi going for now on special? The 398, our same text line, you can message your answer in. We've got our 5 winners for our joint promotion, Vodafone, for our first question. And now our last 5 winners will be for our 2 questions I just gave out. So once again, you buy yourself S25 Samsung, what do you get for free? And how much if you're the cow or the portable MiFi? When we come back, we'll give Leva and, I'm going to give it back to Leva and Nicole for reminders and everything. And also, I'm going to give out our 10 lucky winners for our breakfast show this Wednesday morning. That's a new release by Justin Bieber.
Wake up.
Daisies. Welcome back to your breakfast show. It's now 8:46. Your magic time this Wednesday morning with Vodafone Samoa. And we've got your 10 lucky winners. I am going to read out the last 4 digits before we hand it back to Leva and Nicole for reminders and everything they want to add to our program before we wrap up. Here's our lucky 10 winners, lucky last 4 digits. 9219 5972 7856 7438 2950 3806 6075 1821 9212 and 5138. Congratulations to all our 10 lucky winners, and also thank you everyone who messaged their answers into our text line, Vodafone 398. And I'm going to hand it back to Leva and Nicole for reminders and also what they want to add to our program before we wrap up our breakfast show for this Wednesday morning.
Thank you, Cash. Just a reminder on our financing options. So we still have that one available. If you don't have the budget to buy that fancy phone or your dream phone that you've always wanted but cannot buy it, be like me and opt into our financing options. So just a couple of things you need to bring in: just a confirmation letter, your 2 pay slips, your 3 months bank statement, your 2 photo IDs, as well as a guarantor. And we still have our fiber to the home that's still ongoing, the 149 tala, where you get unlimited data for a whole month. So make sure you stop by any of our retail outlets and sign up. We only need a valid ID from you, and the boys would come over and survey your house and see if the fiber to the home can reach your area, and then have your fiber installed. And our Father's Day promotion. So we still have our Double the Love this Father's Day that's still ongoing. So our Samsung Galaxy A06, you get to buy 2 for only 599 tala. You save 99 tala, and you buy an S25 and you get a free Samsung Galaxy A06. And we also have our iPhone 16 in stock. Yeah, so our iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Plus, and our 16 Pro Max, they're all in stock and they're selling out fast, guys. So make sure you buy one for yourself. Oh, and our M-Tala. Almost forgot about my dear M-Tala. So registration is free. You have to register online with a valid ID, and then you get your code within 24 hours where you can access M-Tala. The good thing about M-Tala is when you hear that dit from your cash power, and then you just grab your phone and you top up your EPC cash power through your M-Tala. So it's fast, secure, and instant. And
what does the sound? How does the sound go?
stop it. 50 tala to repeat myself. Oh, and ask your family and your friends in New Zealand, Australia to show you some love. We're still in the Father's Day month, so show you some love by sending you money using our M-Tala. I think that's about it from me. Thank you so much.
And of course, don't forget to join Vodafone, our new promo. There will be 2 winners. Each will win 25,000 tala. And all you have to do is get a Vodafone SIM, top up 1 tala or more to activate your SIM, and also to register your number for your chance to be into the draw.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is our breakfast show this Wednesday morning. Lots of promotions, lots of deals, lots of amazing things going on over there at Vodafone Samoa. Reminding you of our 50K, winner share 50K promotion. Join Vodafone. And also, devices that are on specials, Father's Day specials still ongoing over there at Vodafone Samoa. Big faftai to Nicole and Leva for coming in this morning. And also, good Wednesday to all the crew over there at Vodafone Samoa. Same time, same place, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, Wednesday morning next week. More on Vodafone. He really wants the 25,000 tala. But anyways, it's now 8:51. Coming up is your international news at 9 o'clock.